was, have I taken this THC? Taken it, I'm not taking, I don't think this much before. Feel it, it feels strong. I start out here, I'm like, and but now, yeah, I'm about to go get some food and ingested something, and now I'm like, yeah, what kind of ride am I gonna go? What's up? It's been an hour since I'm feeling that fucked up. I feel pretty normal. Don't feel in soon. I might be in for something. We'll see what happens. We are out here, HAF. I'm down, and I had just a little sip before the shoot, and it tastes pretty strong. Down to that little bit right there. I don't feel like I could probably be maybe a Tinder date or somebody like that. As you, no one would ever know. No one would ever know that. How can a man such as myself ingest so much? How do I do it? How do I do it? Thousand milligrams of THC. It's a black market product in California. I do not seem stoned. I do not see inebriated. I just drank all day. We'll see how it kicks in, but so far, I'm the champion on the earth. HAF, that's what it's all about. Yes.